Well, I'm not quite sure what I'm witnessing right now, but there's a whole bunch of fish just swimming in a circle. I didn't know what it was at first. I thought it was something in the ground. Wow. Holy smoke. I don't know what they're doing. Holy smoke. I've never seen this in my life. I have no idea what's going on right now. Just on the end of this pier in Zabalos. Oh, they're breaking up. Whoa. Whoa. Holy crow. They're all just swimming off now. And they're out of sight. Whoa. Wow, I've never seen anything like that in my life.